this exercise to practice changing altitude and to get used to maneuvering the aircraft when it faces different directions. You will need 4 cones positioned in a square. Take off from the pad and ascend a few feet. Fly to A and turn so that you are facing B. Fly to B ascending several feet. Turn and face C and fly to C while descending a few feet. Turn and face D and fly to D while ascending several feet. Repeat the exercise several times and then land on the pad.